How to extract audio from video on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device. Shortcuts is the inbuilt application of iPhone which helps you in a lot of ways. So go ahead and open the Shortcuts application and then tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen. Further, go ahead and tap on the search action option, or before that, you can also simply try to rename the shortcut. So tap on the shortcut option on top and then tap on the rename option you see there and rename it to extract audio. Now, once you have renamed your shortcut, tap on the eye icon on the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the show and share sheet toggle button and toggle on the toggle button for this particular option and then tap on done. Now, in this particular interface, tap on the images and 18 more option you see there and then tap on the clear option on the top left of your screen and make sure to toggle on the toggle button for media only. Once done, tap on the done option on the top right of your screen. Now tap on the search action option again on the bottom and then search for encode and then tap on the encode media option you see there. Further, tap on the shortcut input option drop down and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for audio only and make sure the format is selected to M4A, and if not, then you can change it to M4A. Here, you can set the speed based on your preference. I will keep it to normal. Now, tap on the search action option again and then search for save file shortcut and tap on it. Now, go ahead and tap on the drop down you see there for encoded media and make sure the ask where to save toggle button is toggled on. Now, tap on the done option you see there and then go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and then open the video from where you want to extract the audio. Now, tap on the share icon on the bottom left of your screen and here you will see the option for extract audio at the bottom. So tap on the extract audio option you see there and you will then be led to files. So go ahead and select the file folder where you want to save the audio and then tap on the open option you see there, and with this the shortcut will be run. You can then go ahead and open the files application on your device and then go to the folder where you saved the audio, and here as you can see the audio has been saved from the video that you just extracted audio from. So this was about how you can extract audio from video on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.